boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have FINNEAS here with a song called For Crying Out Loud. So this one is a great song when it comes to just handling easy chords and don't have to care about a lot of when it comes to the chord switches and all that. We have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. We love that scenario. Let's do this song For Crying Out Loud together. Let's start with the setup. We have a capo set here on the 1st fret. So 4 easy chords, like I mentioned, we're gonna start with those. So first off is the A minor 7, and it goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D next chord, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the G major 7. All right, that's a variation of it, and it goes 3rd on E. Then I mute the next string. You can go with open A, but I mute it here by using that finger that I'm using on the 3rd fret E string and leaning on the A string, so that gets muted. Then open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we have the C major 7. That's the last chord, and that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so it goes in that order through the entire song: A minor 7 to D to the G major and then C major. We have a simple strumming pattern that goes downs, 3 downs, and then a clap. And you're gonna play that for 2 times per chord. So down, 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 clap. That is 1 strumming round, all right? So if you grab the first chord, A minor 7, 1 round will be, okay? So down, 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 clap. You're gonna play, like I said, 2 strumming rounds per chord. So that's what you're gonna play per chord. And with this chord progression, we're gonna play A minor, D, G major, and C major from the beginning to the very end. A couple of rounds of this chord progression goes. And that's how you handle FINNEAS For Crying Out Loud. Very easy, guys. So give it a try. And if you enjoyed this, feel free to support me here on Cryin Guitar. I appreciate all feedback I can get from you. So thank you so much. Until next time, play tuned.